interventions also from members of the panel. And the representative of the business sector who said, well, you cannot speak about private sector in broad terms. You need to be specific. You need to go into the how and the what, and it also takes two to tango.
I think my key takeaway though was the different perspectives that were brought to those complex challenges that are really our best chance of being able to bring about some positive development outcomes. So it's really the different perspectives involved that I think will see us through this project.
It was very amazing for me to see what really can be done when several European countries who have a lot of experience in VET and employment in Africa join forces and really bring their experience together. I think this is very promising for the future of the project.